Revenge on a friend? You made the choice to include sex with this friendship and are now experiencing one of the many negatives that can come with these arrangements. Your feelings have grown and apparently his haven't. What I would suggest is very simple: stop calling, texting, messaging him. If he calls, texts, messages, you take your time answering, like waiting hours, even a day. Don't be rude or curt in your responses, just explain you are very busy and don't have a lot of time. If he wants to get together to rip one off, say you would like to but can't work it into your schedule right now. You don't want him to think you are pissed or hurt. When he realizes he is no longer number one on your list of importance, he may re-evaluate your relationship and come around to your way of thinking. Maybe not, but what you are doing now isn't working, so changing tactics may work. Regardless, use this as a learning experience should you ever find yourself in a similar situation in the future. Today it seems like FWB is the way to go, but there are pitfalls that can come with it. Sometimes they work, but a lot of times they don't.